Hey everyone, Ashley here with Sienna Mulch. I wanted to show y'all an option of graveling or putting rock around your plants, flowers, trees, and shrubs. It's a great option if you want to be sort of a one and done. It is more expensive up front, but then you won't have to do a spring and a fall application. Only thing is it's not going to be as protecting as mulch, sort of that blanket to keep it warm during the winter. So if you do have rock or gravel, I would definitely recommend a frost cloth that you can purchase at any of your garden centers, and it's definitely going to help with that insulation factor. Personally, the best way that I would recommend to insulate and provide that blanket for your plants and trees, shrubs, flowers during the winter is going to be a nice mulch layer. That can be any organic, natural mulch, a hardwood, a pine, a cedar, a landscaper's pride black velvet. You're gonna wanna do a nice layer 2-3 inches around, and that's gonna provide a great blanket insulation for all of your plants. And it's also gonna break down, decompose, and provide those added nutrients during the winter time.